looking now at position sizing. With a $1,000 account size, risking 2% of that account per trade, which would be $20. With a stop loss of 40 pips, each pip would be the value of 50 cents. So your position size would be 0.05 lots. This is giving you an example of how to calculate your lot size based on your risk. Your risk has got to be the root of calculating your lot size, your position size. And it's always useful to refer to a position size calculator to gain an accurate lot size. I never do this manually. There is a formula, but it's very complicated and unnecessary when there are so many free online calculators out there. I like to use my FX book. It's free and you can calculate your position size by entering in the stop loss, what you are trading, and what you are risking per trade and your account size. And that's all you need to calculate your position size. There are also different paid tools available if you prefer, such as Magic Keys. But regardless to what you use, it is crucial to calculate your position size based around your risk per trade. For those of you who like the complex stuff, here is the formula on how to calculate your position size for Forex. Position size equals the account size times the percentage risk divided by the stop loss in pips times by the pip value. But it's far easier to use a calculator online.